Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, still a slow grind to the downside, and we've reached, or almost reached, the level we were looking at yesterday, which is 107.354. So, still looking at that as an opportunity for buying, and just remember that you have another little level, and it's a pin bar level, just below that at 107.241. So what we're looking for is a pullback onto structure before an opportunity to buy. It does look like it's starting to build at the moment. Not quite there on the 8 hour and definitely not there on the 3 hour yet. You can see my oscillators are all over the place. Haven't quite got into this zone, and you can see all the tails in this zone. And we're in amongst the moving averages at the moment while the moving averages are flat. So that's just a warning bell that we're probably going to be sideways for a bit, and the longer we go sideways, the higher the probability of a break either way. So setting up nicely, but there's no confirmation. And when you get to the hour, you can see yesterday was completely sideways in amongst the moving averages. So what that basically equates to is we either want to see us pull back into the zone that we've been talking about now, or and the longer this range goes on, the or becomes the level, it becomes the trade to look for, to be honest, and that's a break and retest of 107.551. So higher time frames, you can see a bit of a flag forming, but when you come down to the lower time frames, you can see it's a range at the moment, and we don't trade ranges like that, and I want to be above the 150 EMA, and the only way it's going to happen is a move above 107.551. So that's pretty much the only trade that I'll be looking at the moment is a break above that and a retest. Then I'll be looking for longs. Otherwise, we are going to be waiting for the higher time frames to finish whatever they're doing. So it may be another push down to come and find 107.241 or another retest of 107.350, 354. So that is a strong zone. At the moment we've tested it once, so I would expect another test, to be honest. But then once we've tested, I'm going to have to wait for confirmation on a higher time frame before getting in on it, because the 1 hour, that would break below the 150 EMA. So I would want to get price back above that before starting to trade to the upside. Okay, so anyway, it is set on hands yet again. I think yesterday was pretty much a nothing day. Monday hasn't been much either. So or Tuesday, to be honest. So yeah, it's probably just going to be a sideways week by the looks of things. Anyway, I'm sitting quietly on the sides. We'll wait for something better. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.